Hello, Ed. You asked for a testimonial, so here it goes. I'm in the advanced sales program now and really enjoying all the videos, all the instructions, and really appreciating everything I'm learning from you. And it's more than just the content that you are delivering that makes it so good. It's delivered with integrity and passion, and I think in everything you do, you really try to open people's hearts and minds so that they can essentially give the best of themselves to help other people. And that, I think, in itself is your biggest achievement here. And so you deserve your testimonial very very much. And one day I hope to receive the testimonials from the COA program that we will be launching, or we have launched, but we will be relaunching and improving very, very shortly. That will get the testimonials back, and that maybe in the future one day we can get a great testimonial for what we're offering to the world from you. I wish you well. Thank you again, and I'm excited to continue working with you and your fabulous team. Take care.